So guys, this is the Infinix Smart 5, the latest entry-level device from Infinix and a successor to the Infinix Smart 4 of last year, which I made a video about. Links in the description below or in the iCard above, with some little upgrades in the camera, RAM, storage and battery. The unboxing experience is same as last year, but the only catch here is that this year the box comes totally in green. When I got my hands on the Infinix Smart 5, the first thing I noticed was the glossy plastic back, which feels cheap in hand, and it is a total downgrade from last year's matte plastic finish, which I prefer, but you can reduce the fingerprint magnet with the included case inside the box. At the top we have nothing. On the left hand side we have the card tray, which has the dual 4G nano SIMs with a micro SD card. On the right we have the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom we have the mic, 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB port which I'll forgive for the price, and the down-firing mono speakers. The Infinix Smart 5 has a 6.6-inch water drop notch LCD display, which is good for its price, but the same design on its predecessor. Using this device outdoors was hard, but I can't really complain since it is an entry-level device, but Infinix can improve on the next generation of this device. The bezels were reduced a tiny bit, but the chain is still relatively big and noticeable. This device has a resolution of 720p with a 20:9 aspect ratio. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this content, please kindly hit on the subscribe button below to support me and get notified when I drop a new video. If you are trying to secure this device, we have the popular pin pattern and password with the less secured face unlock, which someone in your family that has the same face with you can unlock, and the fingerprint sensor, which is mounted at the rear of this device. Out of the box, this device runs on Android 10 Go edition with Infinix custom skin XOS Dolphin 6.2, which is my least favorite skin on Android, and also comes with preloaded apps and ads which you can put an end to by using third-party launcher like Nova Launcher. This device isn't running full Android, but at least we shouldn't have gotten preloaded apps on this device. We get the same processor of last year, which is the MediaTek Helio A22, which will be good for light gaming like Temple Run, Subway Surf, Chop Bar. This device comes in two storage options, which are the 2GB RAM 32GB of internal storage or 3GB RAM 64GB of internal storage. In case you might need extra storage, there is a dedicated space for micro SD card in the card tray on the left hand side of this device. After a long day of draining the 5000 mAh battery of this device, you can charge it up by using the 10W charger included inside the box, which is not fast, but you have to juice up this device overnight so it will get fully charged for the next day. On this device we have three cameras, which are a single selfie camera at the front with dual flash, and at the back we have a 30MP camera with a QVGA camera. I don't know why this exists. Also, we also get a flash at the back. This device costs 39,500 naira or 7,665 Indian rupees, which is a pretty fair price for an entry-level device in 2020, and you should also consider the exchange rate in Nigeria. You also get DTS for a better audio listening experience. Who is this device for? This device is for someone who is just getting his first smartphone and needs a device with a big battery that can do a lot of basic social media and play light games, or someone who just needs a secondary device with a big battery that can last 2 to 3 days. If only he or she does it to send and receive calls. But know that this device is not for gamers or gaming. Hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing and first impression of the Infinix Smart 5. If you like it, kindly click on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.